Note one point. During this period, a third Ummah was created. It is a detachment from the Jews, the Christians. They were a sect of the Jews in the time of Jesus of Nazareth. Dr. Michael Hart has written it and written it very correctly. Till the time Jesus was present in this world, his followers were nothing more than a sect of the Jews. Just you have Mormons and Christians, or you may say some other people who believed in other prophets, but they claim we are Muslims in the same way. But this, third force which has been created, which is it neither belongs to the former Muslim Ummah nor to the present Muslim Ummah. Why not in the former Muslim Ummah? It doesn't believe in the law. They take their name from Masih, only person. They don't believe in the law of Moses. There can be no Ummah without a law. Law was abrogated. So they don't constitute a part of the former Muslim Ummah, nor they are a part of the present Muslim Ummah. They didn't believe in Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this is the third force. And during the last 2000 years, this is the instrument with which Allah has been punishing both these ummahs. Instrument of punishment. To the Jews as well as the Muslims.